Welcome to the Ultimate MetaSounds Reference Guide, Value. In this node, we'll be taking a look at the value node variants and discussing their functionality. The four variants you'll find are Boolean, Float, Integer, and String. This node is relatively simple, as it's basically a toggle between two values. Our initial value, which is passed through automatically when the MetaSound is activated or when the reset input is triggered, and our target value, which is passed through when our set input is triggered. On the other side of the node, we have the ability to pass through the set or reset inputs to another executable node. To see the full list of videos in this reference guide, click the link to the playlist in the description below.